It's difficult to tell the difference between margarine and butter. Some medicines are only available on prescription. What time does the plane arrive in New York? She had to pay the adult fare on the bus because she was 18. They finally reached the coast after 5 weeks sailing. Be reasonable, you can't expect to learn a language in a week. If you're on a diet, you should substitute honey for sugar in your tea. It took us almost 3 hours to get to Cairo. I remember seeing him on one other occasion with his wife. Can you fetch the children from school since you're going out? That coat is far too expensive. I'll never be able to afford it. My headmaster made a speech at his retirement party. She spends a great deal of her time in London. The scientists observed the behavior of the laboratory animals. Workers are paid money for their labor. He muttered something under his breath. He often gets lost because he never pays attention to the road signs. The sun is too hot, let's sit in the shade. He was so tired that he fell asleep during the lecture. The driver had to swerve quickly to avoid hitting a tree. Sammy won a scholarship to go and study in America. Working in the mall at night provided another source of income for Ollie. My friends and I are going to rent a house together. Be careful skating on that pond, the ice might crack. You need the permit to be able to park your car there. I had to lean out of the window to shout to him. Look in the telephone directory for his phone number. The princess hoped one day to marry a handsome prince. It was a terrible accident, but fortunately there were very few casualties. The school was very small, with a staff of only 3 teachers.
Thanks for watching.